Number 1. Toyota Corolla. The 2026 Toyota Corolla arrives with a fresh look, thoughtful updates, and a new special edition that adds even more character to this already popular compact sedan. Toyota keeps its winning formula of blending reliability, fuel efficiency, and value, while introducing enough new features to keep things exciting for longtime fans and new buyers alike. One of the standout additions this year is the Corolla FX, a tribute to the 1980s FX16 hatchback. It's a nostalgic nod wrapped in modern design, featuring blacked-out 18-inch alloy wheels, a rear spoiler, and a sleek black roof for a sporty edge. Inside, it shares the same 10.5-inch infotainment display now available on several trims. While the FX doesn't bring extra performance, it's all about the unique styling and retro-inspired flair that sets it apart from the rest of the lineup. Under the hood, Toyota sticks with a tried-and-true 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, making 169 horsepower. It's paired with a CVT that keeps power delivery smooth and consistent, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city traffic. For those prioritizing fuel economy, the Corolla Hybrid is the standout option, achieving an impressive 53 mpg in the city and 46 on the highway. What's even more surprising is that Toyota now offers all-wheel drive for the Hybrid, rare for this segment, giving extra confidence in poor weather. Inside the cabin, Toyota has made subtle improvements to materials and features. Soft-touch surfaces, clean layout, and user-friendly tech make the interior feel more refined than you'd expect at this price point. Standard features like push-button start and keyless entry add convenience, while options like heated seats, dual-zone climate control, and ambient lighting give higher trims a more premium touch. Space is also well thought out. Rear seat passengers have ample legroom, and the hatchback offers up to 23 cubic feet of cargo space, ideal for active lifestyles. On the road, the Corolla remains a smooth and comfortable ride. It may not be the most athletic in its class, but trims like the SE and XSE come with sport-tuned suspension, offering a firmer, more responsive feel. Engine noise can creep in under hard acceleration, but otherwise, it's a quiet, composed experience that feels solid and dependable. With prices starting at around $23,310 and topping out just above $29,000 for fully loaded trims, the 2026 Corolla lineup offers something for everyone, whether you're after standout design, unbeatable fuel efficiency, or a sporty daily driver. Number 2, Toyota Corolla Cross. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid is a compact SUV that blends smart design, solid performance, and impressive fuel efficiency. It's the kind of vehicle that delivers practicality without feeling boring, and it's ideal for drivers who want everyday versatility with serious fuel savings. Under the hood, it's powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an ECVT, producing a healthy 196 horsepower. This setup is both responsive and refined, giving the car smooth acceleration in city traffic and on the highway. And with fuel economy ratings of 45 mpg in the city and 38 on the highway, it's one of the most efficient small SUVs out there. Visually, the Corolla Cross Hybrid makes a confident impression. The front fascia features a sharp, modern look with sleek headlights and a bold, dark-colored grille. Fog lights sit neatly on either side, adding both form and function. Along the side, you'll find 18-inch wheels with a silver and black finish, rugged fender flares, and a blacked-out roof that adds a stylish two-tone effect. It looks compact, but there's no mistaking its SUV DNA. The all-wheel drive badge confirms that it's not just about looks, it's capable too. Around the back, the taillights have a sweeping downward arc that gives the rear a clean and contemporary feel. The blacked-out badges and subtle detailing give it a premium touch. Open the power liftgate and you're met with a surprisingly practical cargo space that includes a built-in cover and underfloor storage, perfect for daily errands or weekend adventures. Step inside, and the cabin feels thoughtfully designed. Soft-touch materials and comfortable seats elevate the feel, and the layout is both functional and welcoming. Rear passengers get decent legroom, plus their own air vents and storage options. The sunroof does trim a bit of headroom, but it adds light and an airy feel. Up front, you'll find a power-adjustable driver's seat and easy-to-reach controls on the door panels. The driving position is solid, and the soft-touch steering wheel includes controls for cruise control, lane centering, and volume adjustments. The digital gauge cluster is sharp and displays drive modes and real-time data clearly. The infotainment system is quick and easy to use, and dual-zone climate control along with heated seats make it comfortable in all conditions. The center console houses essentials like a wireless phone charger, drive mode selector, and electronic parking brake. On the road, the Corolla Cross Hybrid is smooth and quiet. It effortlessly switches between electric and gas power, making for a relaxing drive. Toyota's reputation in hybrid technology really shines here, delivering a ride that's both fuel efficient and enjoyable. For drivers looking for a compact SUV that's stylish, capable, and economical, the Corolla Cross Hybrid is a standout option. Number 3, Toyota Yaris Cross. The 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross brings together sporty style, everyday practicality, and impressive fuel efficiency in a compact SUV package. It's designed to stand out visually, drive smoothly, and handle modern needs with ease, making it a strong option for city drivers and small families alike. Toyota has blended the vibe of a hatchback with the versatility of an SUV, and the result is both eye-catching and functional. The exterior makes a strong first impression with its bold, trapezoidal grille and sleek LED headlights that give it a futuristic edge. Sharp lines along the body create a sporty, dynamic look, and the sloping roofline isn't just for show, it helps improve aerodynamics. Around the back, wide LED taillights complete the confident design. The black cladding and slightly raised ride height give the Yaris Cross that rugged mini SUV feel, while still being compact enough for urban streets. Inside, Toyota has gone for a modern and smart layout. The cabin offers more space than the standard Yaris hatchback, especially in the rear and cargo areas, which makes it ideal for hauling groceries, luggage, or weekend getaway gear. High-quality materials and finishes give it a more premium feel than you'd expect at this price point. A digital instrument cluster and responsive touchscreen infotainment system help modernize the cabin, while wireless smartphone connectivity adds extra convenience for daily use. You also get helpful tech like advanced driver assistance systems, which improve safety and reduce stress on the road. The elevated seating position gives a better view of the surroundings, adding to that secure and confident driving feel. Whether you're squeezing into tight parking spots or cruising on the highway, the Yaris Cross feels capable and easy to handle. Under the hood, there are two powertrain options. The base variant is powered by a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder petrol engine that's responsive and efficient, ideal for urban commuting. But for those looking to maximize efficiency, the 1.8-liter hybrid version is the real star. It delivers excellent fuel economy, making it an eco-friendly choice that doesn't compromise on performance or comfort. The hybrid system transitions seamlessly between electric and gas, giving you a quiet and smooth ride. Starting around 25,000 euros in Europe, the Yaris Cross sits at a competitive price point. Higher trims and hybrid models push the cost closer to 30,000 euros, but with the added value of stylish design, smart tech, and fuel savings, it's well worth the investment. The Yaris Cross is a great example of how compact SUVs can be fun, practical, and efficient all at once. Number 4, Toyota RAV4. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 continues to prove why it's one of the top-selling SUVs worldwide, bringing together fresh design updates, modern tech, and excellent fuel economy in a way that appeals to both families and daily commuters. While it maintains the rugged character that RAV4 fans love, Toyota has given it a stylish makeover that feels more refined and upscale. The Cruiser Hybrid FWD trim stands out with black exterior accents, sleek 18-inch alloy wheels, and a convenient power tailgate. At the front, you'll notice redesigned LED headlights that sharpen the look, while the rear gets sculpted LED taillights to match. The RAV4's size is just right. It's easy to maneuver in urban environments, yet still has that confident road presence that makes it feel substantial and secure. Inside, Toyota focuses on comfort and smart design. The leather-appointed front seats are both heated and ventilated, offering extra comfort on long drives or during seasonal changes. The cabin feels upscale, thanks to soft touch materials and a minimalist dashboard layout that puts all the important controls within easy reach. Thoughtful touches like large cup holders, a sunglasses holder, and smart storage compartments make everyday use more convenient. A sunroof adds brightness and airiness to the space. Technology in the RAV4 has also seen a solid upgrade. A 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system now comes standard, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, wired Android Auto, satellite navigation, and multiple charging options including USB-A, USB-C, and a wireless charging pad. Rear seat passengers benefit too, with ample legroom, air vents, and their own USB-C ports for device charging. When it comes to cargo, the RAV4 offers 580 liters of space, perfect for everything from groceries to weekend gear. Powering this hybrid SUV is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, delivering 160 kilowatts and 221 nanometers of torque. The focus here isn't on high-speed thrills, but rather on smooth power delivery and class-leading fuel efficiency. It sips fuel at just 4.7 L, 100 kilometers, and offers a driving range of up to 1,170 kilometers on a full tank, making it ideal for long-distance drives or regular commuting without frequent fuel stops. The ride quality is smooth, and the steering feels direct and responsive. Some road noise is noticeable at higher speeds, but overall comfort levels are strong. Safety is also a big part of the RAV4's appeal. It comes loaded with features like a 360-degree camera, parking sensors, and Toyota's suite of advanced driver assistance technologies that help you stay confident and protected behind the wheel. All in all, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid hits a sweet spot between practicality, fuel efficiency, and modern comfort, making it a standout choice for anyone looking for a reliable, everyday SUV. Number 5. Toyota Highlander. The 2026 Toyota Highlander is gearing up for a major refresh, and it looks like it's going to be one of the most impressive versions yet. This three-row SUV is getting a full redesign that blends a sleeker exterior with improved tech and a big push toward better efficiency. From early leaks and spy shots, it's clear that Toyota is aiming for a more refined and modern look while keeping the Highlander's strong, practical DNA intact. On the outside, the new Highlander will likely feature smoother body lines and a more sculpted profile that gives it a sportier, upscale stance. The front end is expected to get a larger, bolder grille and updated LED headlights that not only look sharp, but help with aerodynamics too. Around back, redesigned LED taillights and a cleaner tailgate layout give the SUV a more high-tech and polished appearance. Toyota is also likely to introduce new wheel designs and fresh paint options, offering more ways to customize your Highlander. Specific trims like the Platinum might include chrome details and elegant wheels, while the Woodland Edition could appeal to adventure lovers with its rugged styling and off-road ready features. Under the hood, Toyota plans to keep pushing its hybrid strategy forward. The updated Highlander Hybrid is expected to get a more efficient electric motor setup and improved battery tech, helping it reach a projected fuel economy of 38 to 40 mpg. That makes it one of the most fuel-efficient options in its segment. There's also talk of a plug-in hybrid variant offering 30 to 40 miles of electric-only driving, perfect for daily errands or short commutes. For drivers who still prefer gas, a turbocharged four-cylinder engine is likely to remain available, delivering decent performance with a combined fuel economy in the 25 to 28 mpg range. Transmission choices will probably include an 8-speed or 10-speed automatic, with all-wheel drive available across the board for added confidence on rougher terrain or in bad weather. Inside, Toyota is making the cabin more premium and tech-focused. Expect upgraded materials, a redesigned dashboard, and a more advanced infotainment system. A large central touchscreen and a fully digital driver display will likely be standard on higher trims. Comfort will be a big focus too, with better noise insulation and refinements in steering and suspension for a smoother, quieter ride. Pricing for the 2026 Highlander is expected to start around $40,000 for the base model. With these upgrades, Toyota is making sure the Highlander stays a top pick for families who want space, efficiency, and a touch of luxury.